last day of school. I'm gonna watch Spider-Man because everybody else is watching it, so I might. Hey, what movie are we gonna watch?
Spider-Man! Sorry.
So we went to the wrong side because Maricar fucked up.
Literally fucked up.
What's gonna happen in this movie?
I don't want to say because I already watched this.
Alright, so this is.
What do you think?
Alright, this is that new segment. Alright,
Okay.
so I think that quote unquote Mysterio is Peter Parker from another dimension. Tony Stark is gonna turn into a zombie in this movie.
Oh.
And I think that Mysterio is gonna have a fishbowl helmet. Miles Morales is gonna not be in this movie.
Stop it.
Oh, 6, right? Is this 6? Oh, okay. So you know, like I was at Anime Expo and I ditched people. Alright, so we just finished watching Captain Marvel and I mean Spider-Man. We watched.
Wait, it's for Andrew Garfield.
Gummy worm.
It smells like lychee.
Lychee?
Yeah.
What the hell is that? Yo guys, welcome to my crib house. Yeah, you know, that's my work area. This is my couch. This is my who is this person? Why are you intruding in my space? Are these shoes for sale? Oh, they're not even. So that concludes our adventure to Ikea and watching Spider-Man Homecoming. I mean Far From Home. Of today.
It was lit.
It was lit. No, it was boring. Alright, so I'm pretty sure that the translation of this, you see that right there? All those words is ginger elu.
Oh yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
So I feel like I can speak